We're getting a look at the damage left behind after severe weather just swept through most of our area, bringing a lot of rain and wicked wind. The city of Atlanta says that they sent out the watershed workers yesterday ahead of the storm to try to clear out the debris from the drains in flood-prone areas just like this one you see here. But that didn't stop the flooding once the creek overflowed. So here's the situation earlier at Peachtree Creek. One woman says that it just took over the roadway.
Water had come up, and what's usually a road right there was the continuation of Peachtree Creek.
A new video tonight from our 11 Alive Sky Trackers showing damage in Roosterville. You can see several structures look to be destroyed as crews are working to try to clean all that up. The National Weather Service says that it was a weak tornado and will do their official survey tomorrow. And south of the city in Coweta County, the National Weather Service also confirming a tornado touchdown there. The EF0 left a lot of folks in Newnan. I'm sure they're really concerned there. Cleaning up today. Some trees were snapped in half, others pulled up by the roots, leaving many neighbors terrified during the storm.
Rushed into a safe place, but I did not realize it was going to happen so quickly.
Everyone we've spoken to today, overall, they said that they're glad the damage is not as severe as what took place during that tornado a couple of years ago. Chief Meteorologist Chris Holcomb joining us now. So Chris, with the light of day, we're learning a little bit more about that tornado, right?
Yeah, you know, the National Weather Service is able to go out and survey the damage and confirm whether or not it was a tornado. And, you know, we were on the air yesterday as this was taking place at 5:42 yesterday. This is a screen grab of that radar that we were watching. And we're talking about between Peachtree City and Newnan there in Coweta County. This is that storm that caused the tornado that moved through. The official results that we got in from the National Weather Service today showed this as an EF0 with winds of about 80 miles an hour. It had about a half a mile path, and you can see it here. It started in the White Oak community, moved over Sullivan Drive, and then lifted once it moved past the Woodstream Drive area in Coweta County. And of course, we mentioned just a few minutes ago too that the National Weather Service is also saying there was a weak tornado early this morning in Heard County near Roosterville, and they'll do their official survey during the day tomorrow. Let's take a look at what we're watching out there right now, and it is much better after a rainy night and a stormy morning today. That rain pushed out as expected, and even the clouds moved out as well, giving us sunshine this afternoon and then clear skies for tonight. We are entering into a drier pattern, but also a cooler pattern as well. We'll talk about those temperatures falling for the end of the week and into the weekend.
All right, Chris, we'll see you soon. Thank you.